Hey everybody, it's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining us today. So we have a new product from Tusk for the CFMoto IBEX 450, and it is the rear brake master cylinder guard. You know, when a bike like this comes out, the first thing that we focus on is protection. So we've got our crash bars on here. We've got the Quiet Glide Adventure skid plate. But once we have the main items knocked out, we always look at any other parts of the bike that are maybe exposed or susceptible to damage. And this rear brake master cylinder was definitely one of those. Just where it sits on this bike, if you were to have something as simple as a tip over, it could get damaged very easily. So we said, you know what, rather than wait till something like that happens, let's be proactive. So we just built this little guard for it, and it's made from 18 gauge steel. It's powder coated black, installs very easily. It's just kind of two covers that go over it, and then they bolt together. You can still see your sight glass easily, so you can still see your fluid levels. But again, it's just offering really good impact protection for that rear brake master cylinder, and it mounts up nice and sturdy. And it's just one of those items where you're probably not going to think about that too often until you have a crash and you realize that you just broke it. So be proactive, grab one of these. To get one, click on the link or just head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And there's two ways you can find everything that we make for the IBEX 450. You can enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have on our homepage, and you will see everything that will fit your bike. Or you go to the individual product pages, and there you just enter the year, make, and model of your bike. And if you see it listed there, it will fit your motorcycle. If you have questions or comments about it, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. We ship for free over $75, and if you want to stay up to date on all the greatest products from Tusk for the IBEX 450, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.